Hello, welcome to the QMS channel. I'm Ethan West, and today I am going to explain ISO 13485, what it is, and why it matters. Before I begin, I would like to ask for your help. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Please also share this video. ISO 13485 is the international standard for quality management systems specific to the medical device industry. It is designed primarily for manufacturers of medical devices, but its scope extends beyond manufacturing. The standard establishes requirements for organizations involved in the life cycle of medical devices, including design, production, installation, servicing, and related support activities. Although ISO 13485 is based on the quality management principles found in ISO 9001, it includes additional and more stringent requirements tailored to the highly regulated and high-risk medical device sector. This is not a generic quality standard. It is a sector-specific, compliance-driven framework. Regulatory authorities around the world recognize ISO 13485 as a foundational requirement for market approval of medical devices. In many jurisdictions, certification to ISO 13485 is either mandatory or strongly expected as part of regulatory compliance. Now, what is the main focus of ISO 13485? There are four core pillars: patient safety, risk management, traceability, regulatory compliance. ISO 13485 requires organizations to implement comprehensive risk management throughout the entire product lifecycle, from design and development to production, distribution, and post-market activities. It also emphasizes strict document and record control, validation of processes, including software where applicable, and effective internal audits. One of the most critical elements of ISO 13485 is traceability. Organizations must be able to trace production history, lot information, and distribution details. This ensures that, in the event of a field issue or recall, affected products can be identified and managed quickly and effectively. The standard also includes specific requirements for complaint handling, corrective and preventive actions, supplier control, regulatory reporting, and post-market surveillance. This makes ISO 13485 a highly structured and compliance-oriented quality management system. So, who is ISO 13485 for? The standard applies to medical device manufacturers, importers and distributors, organizations providing sterilization services, companies offering calibration services, software developers involved in medical applications, contract manufacturers and assembly service providers, and research and development organizations in the medical sector. If your organization operates anywhere within the medical device value chain, ISO 13485 is highly relevant. In many cases, certification is a prerequisite for entering regulated markets. Now, why pursue ISO 13485 certification? First, it helps meet legal and regulatory expectations. Second, it opens access to international markets. Certification demonstrates alignment with globally recognized quality and safety standards. Third, it strengthens trust with hospitals, clinics, distributors, and regulatory bodies. Fourth, it reduces the risk of non-conformities, recalls, and regulatory penalties. And finally, it professionalizes internal processes by establishing structured governance across the product lifecycle. In the healthcare sector, trust and safety are non-negotiable. ISO 13485 provides objective evidence that your organization manages quality, safety, and regulatory compliance systematically and effectively. If you operate in the medical device industry, ISO 13485 is more than a certification. It is a strategic requirement. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.